Vivitek D555 Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. Lots of features for the money. Great picture clarity. It is easy to hook up, adjust and use. Users are doing office presentations too. Easy to focus. A highly recommended budget projector. Overall, it is great product with superior quality. It produces sharp and clear picture. Reliable HDMI connection. It is controlled by buttons as well. Impressive brightness. 3D capability. Perfect for videos and games. Countless users loved it. Cons. Weak sound from the internal speaker. You can use an external speaker as well. Some users say it has poor resolution. That's it. Please subscribe.